from this to this. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to do a headlight restoration. Check this thing out guys. Okay, you see that headlight? Nasty looking headlight. Do you see the other one? Like brand new. Stay with us and we'll show you guys how we do that. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos guys. Why? Why we take our cars completely apart? Simply because guys, our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let me show you what we have here. We have a 2009 Ford Edge, but the video guys will apply to most modern cars past 2000 because most of them have plastic headlight lenses guys. All the materials and products that we use, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. Okay, first step that we're going to do, we're going to open the hood guys. Okay, open the hood just like that, support it, that way we don't need to worry about scratching the hood or anything like that. Next guys, what we need to do, we need to get a painter's tape and we're going to tape the fender and the bumper and the grille around the headlight. Why? Because we'll be sanding that headlight guys and we don't want to scratch our paint, our grille or anything like that, so just protect it guys. And plus we'll be using the buffer later. Okay, if we have some minor scratches we can buff them out, but you have to be extremely careful not to damage edges, bumper edges or anything like that, because this is a higher spot, it's sticking out more, so you have to be more careful. Perfect. You can see, okay, check out how bad that headlight is guys. Okay, the plastic is completely burnt. So what is the next step? Okay, once you guys tape it, we're going to use some sandpaper guys. Okay, that's the sandpaper right here. We'll have the link in the description of the video below guys, and the first sandpaper that we'll be using, 1000. Okay, 1000 guys, sandpaper. So we get a sandpaper and we get a sanding board guys. We have the links in the description of the video below. Those are super comfortable to use and makes the job way easier. Now check out guys, all that nastiness coming off of the headlight, right? This is terrible guys. Okay, that's what we need to get rid of. You can see how it's yellowish, okay, yellowish brownish, okay, looks terrible, yucky. So that guys, okay, needs to come off the headlight. That's why your headlight is foggy, that's why it's yellowish, that's why it's not clear. So with that 1000 sandpaper, we're going to go ahead and sand for about 2-3 minutes. You need to get all the spots guys, and make sure that towards the end, okay, the foam that is coming is just white foam guys, white foam, and you do not have any yellow foam coming off of it. It will be more like snow towards the end. You're going to notice now guys. Okay, you can see how it started turning white. So this headlight is pretty big size, some of them are even smaller, so it will take you less time. Okay, check it out now, it's just white foam coming off, so that's great guys. Okay, we have great improvement. Next, we're going to rinse it off. Okay, rinse it off really good. Perfect. What we're going to use next, 1500 sandpaper guys, that's the next step. So we go ahead, get the sanding block, dip it in water, this is just clean water, and keep sanding back and forth. Go back and forth, okay, like left, right, up and down. Do not go in circles guys, because you have hard time polishing it if you go in circles. So that 1500 sandpaper actually guys removes the scratches out of the 1000 sandpaper. It makes the scratches less deep, okay, not so deep, and as a result, okay, we'll be able to buff it easily. So check it out, we're almost getting there guys. Looks way better now. Next step guys, rinse it off one more time. Okay, that's what we're doing, and we'll be getting 2000 sandpaper. The sandpaper variety guys will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Now right there, the 2000 is very fine sandpaper. You will not see so much foam coming off of the headlight because it doesn't sand so much, but it actually decreases the sanding grooves from 1500 to 2000, so that makes even things easier to polish guys, if you want to have that crystal looking headlight again. And we will explain what else you need to do if you want to keep your headlight crystal looking guys for a long time, because there is no such thing as permanent restoration. As you can see, even the original headlights guys, they fade. Okay, if you don't take care of them, they do fade guys. Next step, 3000 sandpaper. This is the last one, and Depending how bad your headlight is, you may need to spend more time. As you can see, we do it pretty quick. So far, probably less than 2 minutes of sanding the 3000, guys. You will not notice much difference, but it actually, guys, improves quite a bit. Now, what is interesting now is that you're going to actually what's going to happen when that headlight dries, it's going to be foggy looking, really foggy looking. That's normal, guys, because we don't have any shine now, but that's what we'll be doing next. So rinse it off, remove the tape, guys. Okay, if you want, you can install new tape for polishing, but we'll be careful, so we don't even need to install tape. We'll let it dry and we'll continue with the next step. So we're just drying it quickly. Make sure you don't have wet spots and we can continue with the next step. So next, guys, we're going to get a variable speed polisher. You can find, again, the links in the description of the video below. We'll be using the rubbing compound part, and we have a clean cut rubbing compound right here, guys. Very inexpensive. Okay, shake it good. Always shake it, guys. Shake it really good. And what we'll be doing, guys, okay, we're going to apply a thin amount on the headlight. Okay, thin amount, and we'll need to go twice with the rubbing compound part. It's a special part. It's a cutting part, guys. So it's way different than the foamy part. We'll have them listed in the description of the video below. Always use gloves and eye protection, guys. Why we don't, I don't know, but we should. Apply thin amount, okay, like that. Check it out, and we're going to buff it, guys, now. Now, what will happen? This plastic is super dry, so it will absorb quite a bit of the rubbing compound, guys, the first time. So you will not see so much of improvement the first time you go, but second time will be amazing. So let's come on this side now here, so we don't put any shade on the headlight, so you can see what is happening now. Okay, so from this side right here, guys. Okay, let's come on this side, okay, like that, so we don't have shade on the headlight, and you can see what is happening. I'll go at about 1900 RPMs. It's super important, guys, not to stay too much in one spot, because you can melt the plastic, it gets hot. So this is, guys, the first step. Okay, check it out. Looks amazing, right? Now what we'll be doing next, guys, okay, we are going to do one more coat. Let's do one more coat, okay, with that part, and then we'll switch to the other one, because as I said, it's a little bit dry, so it absorbed it. I want to even polish it a little bit better, so we can bring that brand new look out of it. So a little bit less the second time, guys. You don't need so much. Okay, just a little bit, that's enough. Okay, perfect. And I'll just hit it again, guys, at about 1900 RPMs, and you have to be moving back and forth, okay, pretty quick, because if you stay in one spot for too long, what will happen, guys, actually, you can burn the plastic, guys. Check it out now, guys, how much better that thing is, right? Now we're going to change the part. We're going to switch, guys, to the polishing part. Okay, just remove that one, get the polishing part, and we're going to use the same compound. We won't even, and guys, we'll be using the same compound. Okay, same compound. We may increase the RPMs a little bit, but you have to be extremely careful, okay, not to melt the headlight, guys, again, because this is a plastic lens, so you have to, guys, warn, okay, and you have to kind of like feel it, stop if it gets too hot, just wait for it a little bit, It's very important, guys, to handle it correctly, otherwise you can melt it. Now, most of the imperfections that you can cause are fixable. We have melted headlights in the past. I've seen people using clear coat. I wouldn't recommend it, because if you do not use the correct one, sometimes what will happen, okay, the headlight will actually fog up, guys, and as a result that may not be fixable, because okay, the whole plastic will be done. So now let's go ahead, buff it again. Okay, guys, what do we have here now? Check it out. Next step, we need to clean it with a microfiber towel. Clean everything really good, clean around it, because you have some wax here and there. So let's go ahead, close it, and I want to show you guys, okay, remember what we had before, remember what we have now. Crystal clear looking headlight, guys. So that's how you guys do it. I want to show you the insides. Check it out. It's simply amazing, guys. Okay, you can see inside without any problems. It's super shiny, guys. Check out the fog detail on the inside. Everything is great. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.